an anti-aging remedy for your under eye. Okay, now you need to concentrate at least a little at your under eye area, and so that you would actually not be looking older than your age. Okay, so it is not just about all of your face. You need to take care of that place. You need it to look good. You don't need it to be dark and to be wrinkled, and then your face will now begin to look rough and your face will now begin to look old. Okay, so today's video is about that. So let me take you right into this video so that you can look really young again, really glowing, really beautiful. And let's go. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. So, is your skin looking wrinkled, rough, and are you suffering from dark under eye, or you're not looking very glowing and all of that? Is your under eye area wrinkled? I have a solution, and one of the ingredients we're going to be using for that is this, and this is egg. Now, egg is a great skin tightening agent that helps. It helps for skin tightening, and it also firm and glow up the skin real good. So what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna be putting in the egg, just a little bit of it, and then the very next ingredient we're going to be needing is avocado. Avocado contains anti-aging remedy and an age solving problem like pigmentations, age lines, and age problems. It helps so much in rejuvenating, and it also helps to glow up the skin real good. So what we're going to do now is that I'm going to be taking just a little of this. Alright guys, so now I would have to mash the avocado for it to be very soft. And then I'm gonna mix it up with this egg white. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient you're going to be needing and you're going to be making use of will be this, and this is honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing agent for the skin and to the skin. It helps to moisturize and make the skin even. It makes the skin really smooth, and it also remove fine lines, wrinkles, age-related problems, and age spots. Divine. So now I'm going to be mixing this all up just like this. consistency is perfect, but we just need one more ingredient. And the very next ingredient is cucumber. Now, cucumber is a great anti-aging remedy. The juice in cucumber helps to strengthen out the skin, and it also helps to make the skin glow, rejuvenated, smooth, and radiant. So I'm gonna be cutting just a little of this cucumber because I need just a little of the juice. And then we'll have to be cutting that into pieces like this. Alright guys, so the very next thing we do is to blend this. Okay, so after blending this, we're gonna be getting just the juice out. Alright guys, so after that is done, then we're gonna be putting just 1 tablespoon of that cucumber juice into this mix, and then we're gonna be mixing it all up just like this. And this is how the consistency should be, and this is how it's gonna be. So what you do is that you're gonna apply this onto your under eye area. What you do now is that you're going to be applying this onto your deep mouth area. Now you can also just apply this onto your body, your neck, okay, your hands, more especially for those people who have wrinkles on their hands, or who have their hands looking old and age, who have those fracky and dry hands, literally. Okay, so you apply this just like I'm applying it, but mainly you apply it onto your deep mouth area, just like line like that. You pack it onto that place just like this. Okay, now when you pack it there, the very next thing you're going to do is to hold on for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then you can scrub it all around. You can spread it all around to your face, because this is literally very good for fine lines and wrinkles. Also, it works like wow, it helps you so much. This is actually very soft. Now when you want to use this treatment, you have to moisturize it, put it inside your refrigerator and let it sit there and cool up a little more, and then it will actually do the job in removing fine lines, deep mouth wrinkles, under eye, and age related spots. Okay, so you do it that way, and afterwards you can use normal water or lukewarm water to just wash this off, and you're good to go, guys. So you can actually apply this as much as you want. This is actually very mild enough. You can do this 3 to 4 times in a week. You can decide to do it every day. As much as you want to apply this, you can go ahead. This is actually very mild enough for all skin types. So go ahead and give this a go, and you're going to be loving it. Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay, so you're welcome back to today's video, and you're welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm gonna be showing you. Alright guys, so that's it. Go take care of your under eye, and remove all of the darkness there, remove all of the wrinkles around there, and have a healthy, glowing, uniform toned skin. Okay, so that's it, guys. You have to be consistent in this because it is all natural products. So I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye.